Understanding number line is important when we are working with integers, fractions, or decimals, when we are adding or subtracting them, or when we have to find the position of the numbers, like where are the decimal numbers, or how are the fractions placed in between them, or when we are dealing with questions related to arranging of numbers in ascending or descending order, we make use of the number line. Before we begin, I would suggest you to watch my video on real numbers where I have explained you about different number types like integers, rational numbers. The link will be somewhere on the screen. Now I've taken this number line in the range of -10 and 10. Number 0 is in the middlemost position, and then all the numbers to the right are positive and to the left are the negative numbers. You can extend this number line further to the left all the way till -infinity. Also, you can extend it to the right all the way towards positive infinity. So if we are adding numbers, if we are adding positive numbers, we move to the right side. So if we have to add 3 and 4, so we start at 3 and go all the 4, like we go 4 steps ahead. So starting at 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, we land at 7. So the sum of 3 and 4 is 7. When we are subtracting numbers, we move to the left side. So if I have to take away 2 from 6, so I go 2 steps backward from 6, landing at 4. So the difference of 6 and 2 is 4. Well, we will discuss about these addition and subtraction of numbers, specifically integers, when we are dealing with positive and negative numbers. We will discuss this in detail in another video. I will provide you with a link. I want to show you how the numbers are placed between these numbers, or I would like to show you about the decimal numbers or the fractional numbers. So we know they are the numbers in between these integers. So how are they placed actually? So let me expand you the number between 0 and 1 and see. You can see there are so many decimals in between them, and they can be expanded furthermore to find more and more decimals again. There are in fact infinitely many decimals between every integer. So we see the number 0.5, which is equivalent to the fraction half, is in between 0 and 1. It's exactly midway between them. 0.25, that's a quarter, is here. 3/4 is 0.75. We see 0.75 is larger than 0.7. So if we have this understanding, it becomes easier for us to order the numbers, especially when we are dealing with fractions or decimals. Let me show you the negative number line, like when we have negative numbers. So I have expanded it further to the left side between 0 and -1. So here you see negative 0.5 is in between, it's the midway between them. And as we move to the left side, the numbers become smaller. So the number like negative 0.95 is smaller in value than negative 0.9. So actually the number, when we are dealing with the negative numbers, it's the number with the larger absolute value has smaller value. Actually, it's smaller than the number with the large absolute value. So we make use of this when we are working with error intervals or dealing with the bounds like lower bound or upper bounds. Also, when we are rounding numbers correct to decimal places, we make use of the number line.